Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here, and today we have a video that's a little bit different than some of my other type of unboxings that I do on my channel, whereas I did have a company reach out to me to ask me if I want to review one of their handbags. And so I did do a community post here on YouTube, and I also did a poll on my Instagram just to kind of get a temperature check to see if you guys would be interested in this type of unboxing. And a lot of you were interested in seeing the quality of the item just as much as I was. So I was like, yes, yes, of course, I want to do the unboxing and everything. And so they sent me over something, and the company is Babala Bags. Specifically, Teresa from Babala Bags reached out to me. So thank you, Babala Bags, and thank you, Teresa, for reaching out to me and sending me a handbag to unbox and review. Okay, so before we get started in this unboxing, just a little bit of disclaimer. This is literally just for educational purposes. I'm not influencing one way or another, but I will have all of the information down in the description box below if you want to check out Babala Bags for yourself. So if this is not the type of unboxing or video that you're really interested in, just feel free to go ahead and click out. I'm not against anything. So like I said, with that being said, if you are interested in this unboxing, then go ahead and continue to watch. They have all kinds of different bags on their sites that you can choose from. They have Balenciaga. They also have, of course, LV. They have different types of LV bags. They have just a few LV bags that you can choose from. Just keep in mind that at the time that they also have accessories as well, but just keep in mind that at the time that I am recording this video, you guys probably can see on the screen, if I'm able to pop that up, it is about to be Chinese New Year from January 4th to February 5th. So if you order anything, your item will be delayed could possibly be delayed until after the Chinese New Year. Okay, so here is the box that the package came in. As you guys can see, I have not opened the box at all. I was waiting to get on camera with you guys to open it, and I'm so excited to see this item. And so this did get shipped to me. It came USPS, and they told me it was going to take about 10 business days to come. It took just slightly over 10 business days to come, but we did have a winter blast winter storm yesterday here in Houston, and so they did delay the package about a day or so. So I have it in my hands today. I literally just got it today and sitting down filming this video for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this up and take a look at this item that they sent me. And so yeah, I am very excited to see this item and check out the quality and everything. Oh. Okay, so here is what it's looking like as I open up the box. So they did send it in a branded box. So here is a look at the box. I mean, if you care about the box, the box is actually in really good condition. It's not like banged up or beat up or anything, which is actually really good. And then you open the box up and you have some tissue paper in there. Oh, that's a cool little touch. And then here is the bag on top in the dust bag. So let me pull this out. Okay, so when you take a look inside of the box, you have this card, and then you have some paperwork, and then you have the little receipt holder right there, and then you also get some ribbon if you want to wrap it up. So yeah, so you get all of that. So here is the bag again in the dust bag, and then the bag also comes wrapped up. You guys can probably have an idea of what bag I ended up receiving. Okay, I'm just taking a look at it. Okay, not bad. Can y'all see? It's a Speedy. You guys can see I picked out a Speedy, but it's just not any type of Speedy. So the handles come nice and wrapped, so you can just take everything off. Let me take everything off. Just taking a look at the bag. So this is what the bag is looking like. Okay, it's actually looking pretty nice, y'all. And then it has the zipper pulls. And then here's the little, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this Speedy that I picked out just yet. Like if you guys can guess by just the D-rings and stuff that's on it. Inside, it has the strap and it has some little hang tag. So here is the strap to the Speedy, and if you guys don't know which Speedy this is one of their newest Speedies, and this is the Speedy Soft 30 Crafty. Okay, so that's the one that I picked out. They have another one that I think it's called the Dark, and it has like silver hardware, and I think they have like one more that's like a boho style. So as you guys can see, this is just a look of what the bag looks like on the website. This actually looks really good. So according to the website, this bag it says monogram coated canvas, cowhide leather trim, and then the lining is leather as well. So the lining is leather, but it looks like the outside is still coated canvas, and then the trims and stuff are cowhide leather. And so what's the fun part about it is the little charms that are included with the bag. So here are all the little charms and everything. Like you got to put all this together yourself. And then they have, oh my god, this one is so cute. Hold it. So this is one of the charms, which like, oh, this is so cute. It's like a little trunk. It is so. Here is the lock, and there is the back of the lock. Are we focusing? Yeah, and that's the back of the lock. Okay, and then here is a closer look at that little trunk charm. It's so cute. So here is the bag all done up with the charms that's added to it. So I added the clochettes, added the little trunk charm, and then the little luggage tag charm, and then the strap. So kind of this is what it looks like on the site. And so here is the front, this is the back, and then the sides of the bag. So let me open it up and show you guys. I did put the lock just on one so I can open it up and show you guys the interior, which I really love the interior of this bag. So here is the interior of the bag. You guys can see here is the back zippered pocket. You guys can see that with the stamping. Then here's what that interior zipper pocket looks like. It actually has it's actually really pretty roomy, y'all. And this is definitely real leather. You can smell the leather. Like this looks really good. Like this leather detailing looks really good. The glazing looks so stinking good too, y'all. The glazing looks amazing. And y'all see, it's really soft and squishy. Like really soft and squishy. I'm definitely going to wear this with like a bag organizer for sure. But I mean, it's really slouchy too. So if you like that look, but I'm going to put a bag organizer in it to just give it just a little bit more structured. So yeah, y'all, it looks really good. It looks like really good. Let me get up close so you guys can see the detailing on the bag. Can you guys see that detailing? Like it actually looks really good. Like it looks really good. Like the quality is really nice. But yeah, y'all, so this bag looks really good. Like I'm not gonna even hold you. Like it looks really good. Oh my goodness. And I don't have a Speedy in my collection. This is nice, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is nice. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, comment down below, and let me know what you think of this unboxing. And if you are interested in checking out Babala Bags, again, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. Well guys, until the next one, bye.